know, the first thing you notice when you get here is you step out of the car and you hear and feel the serenity of being in the country. My name is Jeff Raines and I'm the local United Country affiliate here. We specialize in farm and recreational and timber properties throughout southeast Georgia and South Carolina. This is magnificent horse property located here in Bullock County is very special. This property really has unlimited potential. In 2007, they started on the construction of the main house on the property. The main house is approximately 5,700 square feet of excellence, if you will. There were no details spared and no expenses spared on this house. You can board here roughly about 25 horses. Not counting the day barn. The day barn will board an additional 10, and then there's about 5 stalls in the stallion barn. So you could board about 40 horses here, so that would make a great income possibility as well. Statesboro in Bullock County is one of the largest or fastest growing counties in the state of Georgia. We have a wide range of educational opportunities here. We have Georgia Southern University, which just recently got the okay to merge with Armstrong State University in Savannah. That will make us the 4th largest university in the state university system. We're centralized to everything. We're approximately 45 minutes from Savannah. We have the Savannah River for fishing and skiing. We're minutes from the coast. We have downtown Savannah for historic and River Street. We have fine dining that's just minutes away, fresh seafood. Where else could you live and have such a country setting but be so close to things that bring culture to your life? We're close to everything, but when you get home, you're at home and you're in a peaceful environment.